If you're looking for the best robot vacuums, then this video is for you. Through extensive research and testing, we break down the best robot vacuums on the market for this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which robot vacuum will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. So, let's get started. The first one on our list is ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni. This is an advanced robot vacuum cleaner designed to make household chores more hands-off and efficient. It offers a range of features that set it apart from traditional circular robot vacuums. One of its standout features is its strong vacuuming capabilities, boasting 8,000 Pascal of suction power. This makes it highly effective at picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces. Additionally, the robot is equipped with 2 rotating mop plates, which enable it to tackle spills and stains in your kitchen effectively. The ability to automatically empty its dustbin and clean and dry its mopping pads with hot water and hot air adds a level of automation to your cleaning routine, reducing the need for manual intervention. The X2 Omni's square design is a departure from ECOVACS's usual circular robots and is intended to help it reach edges and corners more effectively. This design seems to work well as it can access areas that circular robots might have trouble reaching. However, it's worth noting that the robot's navigation abilities and its tendency to bump into objects have room for improvement, potentially due to its updated square shape. Despite some limitations in navigating tight spaces and corners, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni excels in its core functions of vacuuming and mopping. With its high suction power and hard floor scrubbing capability, it stands out as a top performer. The user-friendly app allows for precise cleaning customization, and the inclusion of ECOVACS Voice Assistant enhances the overall user experience. In summary, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni is a commendable robot vacuum cleaner that simplifies the chore of cleaning your home. Its strong suction power and multifunctionality make it a valuable addition to any household, although there is room for improvement in terms of navigation. Next up is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, offering an impressive array of features for a premium cleaning solution, albeit at a high price. This top-of-the-line robot vacuum offers a comprehensive cleaning experience, including vacuuming with its powerful 6,000 Pascal suction, mopping, auto-emptying, and self-cleaning features, all enhanced by its 3D obstacle avoidance capabilities. While it doesn't achieve perfection, it stands as a reliable option that undoubtedly leaves your floors cleaner than ever. Roborock's exclusive focus on robotic vacuums is evident in the S8 Pro Ultra, the latest addition to their S8 lineup. It boasts exceptional features like mopping and self-cleaning, setting it apart from less expensive models. Even the setup process is hassle-free thanks to the user-friendly companion app. The app enables precise mapping of your home, allowing customization of cleaning zones and schedules, giving you full control over your cleaning routine. The S8 Pro Ultra effectively navigates through most obstacles, making it suitable for most homes. It's capable of handling common debris and crumbs effortlessly. However, it might struggle with larger messes, necessitating some manual intervention. The mop function, while efficient for smaller smudges, isn't ideal for substantial spills. The true standout is the RockDock Ultra Docking Station. It lives up to its promises, ensuring low maintenance for the robot vacuum. The self-cleaning and hot air drying features keep the mop pad in excellent condition even after prolonged use. Additionally, the auto-emptying feature simplifies maintenance as you rarely need to empty the dustbin yourself. While the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with a hefty price tag, it's a compelling choice for those seeking a top-tier robot vacuum that minimizes manual effort. With its performance and convenience, it leaves your floors spotless and eliminates 2 chores from your to-do list. For those willing to invest, this robot vacuum is a worthy splurge. The DreamyTech D10 Plus is on our list as well. It's a mid-range robot vacuum cleaner and mop with advanced features at an affordable price, making it a cost-effective cleaning solution. With high suction power and an agitation feature, it captures embedded dirt, and its self-emptying function streamlines the cleaning process. The robot's base station serves as a recharging dock and a self-emptying dustbin, ensuring convenience. The 2.5-liter dust bag can last up to 45 days depending on usage. While the self-emptying process produces a short burst of noise, it's bearable. The D10 Plus stands out with its impressive 4,000 Pascal suction power, making it suitable for large particles and deep cleaning carpets by automatically boosting suction. It's not just a vacuum, it excels as a mop and can do both tasks simultaneously. The electronically controlled water tank, adjustable through the app, provides efficient mopping with a dense Z-shaped pattern and double passes. However, the mop has limitations. It can't remove tough or dried stains, and the small 0.15-liter water tank may require frequent refills. It only uses water, not detergent, so it's best for routine light mopping. The robot's advanced navigation system relies on LiDAR technology to detect cleaned and uncleaned areas and a SLAM algorithm to map your floors. When the battery runs low, it returns to the charging dock and resumes cleaning upon recharge. Controlling the D10 Plus is user-friendly through the app, offering customization of room divisions and creating virtual barriers. A live map provides real-time monitoring, and integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Home allows voice commands for hands-free operation. In conclusion, the DreamTech D10 Plus offers a compelling blend of features without the premium cost. Next up, we have the Shark AIVI 993iQ Robot Vacuum. This powerhouse robot vacuum tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. It boasts deep cleaning capabilities, ensuring no crumb or furball goes unnoticed. Its self-cleaning brush roll efficiently rids itself of pet hair and long hair during its cleaning cycle, eliminating the nuisance of hair wrap. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its convenience. You can easily schedule whole home cleanings through the Shark Clean app, or even control it using voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This level of flexibility is a true time saver for busy households. The Shark IQ Robot Vacuum's methodical cleaning approach ensures that it leaves no corner unattended. It navigates your home row by row, and with its ability to transition seamlessly from room to room, you can trust that your entire living space will be covered. Moreover, the robot's return to dock, recharge, and resume feature ensures that it won't leave the job half done. Designed especially for pet owners, this automatic vacuum boasts an XL-capacity dust bin, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a high-efficiency filter, effectively capturing dust, dander, and pet allergens. Additionally, its dual spinning side brushes are a boon, making sure debris from corners and edges is never overlooked. While the Shark AIVI 993 offers a multitude of benefits, there are some downsides to consider. It may not perform at its best on high-pile carpets, and larger debris can pose a challenge. In some instances, it may get stuck under furniture or other obstacles, and there's the occasional hiccup with redocking. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Shark AIVI 993 stands as a remarkable value for money. It's a cost-effective solution for a cleaner, pet-friendly home and a worthy addition to any household. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni is on our list as well. This robot vacuum offers exceptional convenience and cleaning prowess. Equipped with 5,000 Pascal suction and AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance technology, it's an outstanding addition to any modern home. The X2 Omni's standout feature is its dual functionality, with two rotating mop pads that tackle stubborn stains on hard floors, scrubbing at 180 revolutions per minute for gleaming floors. One of the most remarkable aspects of this robot vacuum is its level of autonomy. It can seamlessly switch between vacuuming and mopping, or even perform both tasks simultaneously. Additionally, the X2 Omni's spot clean function is a game-changer for tackling heavily soiled areas with minimal user intervention. The inclusion of a self-cleaning docking station is a stroke of genius, as it not only dries the mop pads but also empties and refills the water tank, making floor maintenance nearly hands-free. Furthermore, the station's self-emptying feature ensures minimal interaction with the 13.5 fluid-ounce dust canister, as it disposes of the debris into a replaceable bag, making your cleaning experience truly effortless. The DEEBOT X2 Omni excels in the world of robot vacuums, with its advanced navigation system featuring a LiDAR scanner and a high-definition camera for precise movement. It doubles as a remote security camera equipped with a microphone and speaker, making it an ideal tool for home monitoring and pet interaction, even when you're away. Its methodical vacuuming path ensures efficient cleaning, and the convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity allows for control via a smartphone app or voice commands using ECOVACS's integrated voice assistant, YICO. The only drawback worth mentioning is the price tag, making the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni one of the more expensive options in the market. The last one on our list is Roomba J7 Plus. It sets a new standard for intelligent cleaning. Powered by iRobot OS, this robot vacuum offers a personalized cleaning experience tailored to your preferences. It utilizes advanced technology to avoid obstacles, allowing you to schedule multiple cleanings per day while adapting to your home's layout. The most remarkable feature is its self-emptying capability, eliminating the need for manual bin emptying. With the Roomba J7 Plus, you can say goodbye to the hassle of picking up objects before cleaning. Equipped with iRobot OS technology and precision vision navigation, it can identify and avoid common household items such as cords, pet waste, socks, and shoes. This means you can enjoy a hands-free cleaning experience, saving you time and effort. Imprint Smart Mapping is another standout feature of the Roomba J7 Plus. It enables you to control and schedule which rooms are cleaned and when. The robot vacuum can store multiple maps of different levels in your home, ensuring efficient and customized cleaning. You can even create keep-out zones and clean zones to specify areas that should be avoided or given extra attention. Its powerful 3-stage cleaning system with power-lifting suction ensures thorough cleaning, while the edge-sweeping brush and patented dual multi-surface rubber brushes effectively tackle various floor types without getting tangled with pet hair. While the Roomba J7 Plus boasts impressive features, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The self-emptying function can be loud, which might concern noise-sensitive individuals. Additionally, the battery life may not meet everyone's expectations. However, the convenience of the self-emptying feature and the cleaning efficiency of the Roomba J7 Plus outweigh these limitations for many users. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus robot vacuum is a game-changer in the world of smart cleaning technology. With its intelligent navigation, customizable cleaning options, and self-emptying system, it offers a seamless cleaning experience. You got it. So that's it for the best robot vacuums in the market for this year. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.